When two letters combines together makes a single sound that calls diagraph. A diagraph can consist vowel and consonant. When letters C and H are put together, it makes the sound ch. C and H are two letters, but they make only one sound, ch. There are two cherries. The symbol pointed one cherry. Ch, a, ri mix together cherry. Ch and ari is together cherry. Ch, ik, chick. Ch and ik mix together chick. Ch, ild, child. Ch and ild mix together child, child. Ch, ch as an ending sound. Look some words. B and ch. B and ch mix together bench. B and ch. B and ch mix together bunch. B, e, ch. B, e and ch mix together beach. Ri, ch. Ri and ch mix together rich, rich. Let's do the sound sh. S and H mix together sh sound. Let's see some words with sh sound at the beginning of the word. Sh, ip. Sh and ip mix together ship. Sh, op. Sh and op mix together shop. Sh, ado. Sh and ado mix together shadow. Now let's see some words that is ending with sh sound. D, sh. D and sh make together dish. Fi, sh. Fi and sh mix together fish. Br, a, sh. Br, a and sh mix together brush. Now we learn v sound. W and H mix together v sound. Let's see some word with the v sound in the beginning of the word. V, ale. V and ale mix together whale. V, eel. V and eel mix together whale. V, e, t. V, e and t mix together wait.